Welcome to this week's video, and it's just a short one because I'm showing off a coin on card. And it's another D-Day 50p coin, but this time it's from Gibraltar. This is how it's presented. I ordered it from Pobjoy Mint, as you can see on the bottom. That's the front. And then the back. D-Day 75th anniversary, 1944 to 2019. We hereby confirm that this pack contains a legal tender Cooper nickel diamond finish coin and is one of a limited issue of 7,500 worldwide to reflect the 75th anniversary of D-Day. And we've got some information either side of the coin, and we can actually have a look closer at this side. Just get that around there. So Gibraltar 2019. Now if I just bring it back round and show you that presentation again, and let's have a look at the obverse of the coin. Here we go, D-Day 75th anniversary, 1944 to 2019, D-Day, and then in colour on the coin we have the American flag, the British flag and the Canadian flag. I really like how simplistic the colouring on this coin is. Just in the centre, I'm not really that big a fan of coins that have got too much colour on them, and this, well, this is perfect. So let me know in the comment section below, have you been collecting any of the 2019 D-Day coins? And I'm not just talking about 50p coins, because there are plenty of other commemorative coins to collect. If you have been collecting any, let me know exactly which ones, because it always interests me to read those comments. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching!